And on we'll go.
Not a phone call, of course. I'll have to mute the audio on that because that ringtone is going to give me a copyright strike. But here's the phone. This is the one that we did the water test with in the washer. The LCD no longer works. It kind of just quit now. So we'll go from waist height in 3, 2, 1. The back cover and battery came off. Now I can only tell if it turns on because the keypad lights up. Let me see. The battery is getting low on it, so that may be it too. I don't see it turning on, but we'll assume it does and the battery's dead. Waist height drop. I see a couple little marks on there, so 3, 2, 1. I feel like this battery is going to be a repeat thing on this phone. Took a little damage right there. Slider still feels good. We'll do a drop with the slider open in 3, 2, 1. Down into the face down in a way, but we'll go with it. Now it's going to do the face down in 3, 2, 1. So it looks like the phone did pretty decent. It is a resistive plastic touchscreen, so it won't crack. I said I can't tell if it turns on. I'm assuming it still works. A couple dings around there, around this edge. Other than that, pretty good. Let's go and do the backdrop from head height in 3, 2, 1. I didn't press the record button when I did the corner drop, but I'll throw the slow motion clip in there. So from the corner drop, from head height, got some damage there. Sliding still works good. Let's go ahead and do the open slider drop in 3, 2, 1. So it landed on the back. And still seems fine. Let's go and do the face down drop in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's cool how it slid on the screen after it hit the ground. It's pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and put this cover on. Looks to be in good shape. Let's go ahead and do the throw drop. Alrighty. In 3, 2, 1. Here's the phone, the battery, and the back. There's like a hit right here. Slider mechanism works fine. Let's go and do another throw drop with the slider open. Alrighty. In 3, 2, 1. Got the battery. And that kind of messed the slider up. It doesn't want to slide all the way down now. And push it. It doesn't like that. Looks like it hit right here. Let's go ahead and do the skid test real quick on on the resistive screen in 3, 2, 1. All right. It's a nice day out today, guys. A little windy, but not too bad. Here we got the battery. All right, looks like the camera took a scratch. Looks like it's a plastic camera. Major scratching right here on the display, down here at the bottom. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.